And so introducing our keynote speaker, did you want to come up, Sharif, and introduce our keynote speaker? Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Devin. I'm Sharif Zadeh, and I serve as the Vice President of the SVEC of the Council this year. It's my great honor to introduce tonight's keynote speaker. Our speaker doesn't need any introduction, but before that, I'd like to briefly mention just a few sentences about the theme of this year and our magazine cover. The topic is about climate change, so we decided to have the theme of the magazine and the publication of this year's Banquet about climate change. But I also ended up adding a small robot next to the Earth on the magazine cover as a show of impact of humans and also robots and artificial intelligence to fight climate change in the future. Also, I serve in several committees at IEEE Silicon Valley for Computer Society and SSCS as the sponsors of the Banquet tonight. And we have a new AI initiative within IEEE and ACM. And I would like to invite other engineering societies, including mechanical, civil engineering, and all the members of SVEC to join us in this new AI initiative. It's my great pleasure to introduce Dr. Stephen Chu. He is the professor of physics and professor of molecular and cellular physiology in the medical school at Stanford University, and currently is the president of the American Association for the Advancement of Science. He has numerous publications in various fields, from clean energy, polymer physics, biophysics, nanoparticles, batteries, and other topics. Actually, it was interesting over the dinner. We were talking about the comparison between the number of his preceding publication and his H index. It's very interesting, almost match. You should go look it up. He served as the 12th US Secretary of Energy from January 2009 through 2013, and he was the first scientist to serve as a cabinet member in US history. Prior to that, he was the director of Lawrence Berkeley National Lab from 2004 to 2009, and professor of physics at the Stanford Universities from 1987 to 2009. He's the co-recipient of the 1997 Nobel Prize, and also he's a member of the National Academy of Sciences and several other organizations. Without further ado, please join me in welcoming Dr. Chu.